Geobyte.
Hi students, welcome to the Geobyte Diploma series. In this video, we will discuss very important problems for the flow through pipes. Look at the very first problem. Water is to be supplied from a reservoir to a town having a population of 1 lakh. That means he wanted to supply the water to the town is maintaining the population 1 lakh. The reservoir has been built at a distance of 4 kilometers from the town. The water supplying reservoir is available 4 kilometers away from the town. It is estimated that one half of the daily supply of 150 liters per head. Daily, they are planning to supply 150 liters of water per head. One half of the daily. One half of the daily means daily they are not supplying. Half the daily means once in 2 days, like that. Should be delivered in 6 hours. He wanted to supply 6 hours. Calculate the size of the supply pipe. If the head available is 20 meters, assume coefficient of friction for the pipe is 0.008. For this problem, let me write the given data. Given data, population of town equal to 1 lakh. Pipe length, since the reservoir is 4 kilometers away from the town at a distance of 4 kilometers. For that length, we have to lay down the pipe. Length of the pipe. Length of the pipe L equal to 4 kilometers is equal to 4000 meters. It is estimated that one half of the daily supply of 150 liters per head. Daily supply is 150 liters per head. Daily supply equal to 150 liters of water per head equal to 0.15 meter cube per head, because 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. From that 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. 1 liter equal to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Next, per head 0.15 meter cube of water to be supplied. Total supply equal to 1 lakh multiplied by per head water supply 0.15. It is equal to 15,000 meter cube. That much amount of water to be supplied. But only half of the daily supplied discharge Q equal to half into 15,000, half of the daily supplied. How long it is supplied? Per 6 hours, right? 6 hours, 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. It gives in meter cube per second directly 0.347. I got 0.347 meter cube per second. That is the total discharge. Head of the water is nothing but HF. head of water. HF equal to 20 meters and coefficient of friction 0.008. From this you can decide the diameter of the pipe required, size of the pipe required, diameter of pipe required, D equal to how much, HF equal to, it is given in terms of discharge, F L Q square by 3d power 5. So here HF or d power 5 equal to FL Q square by 3 into HF. F equal to 0.008 into length is 4000 meters, Q 0.347 whole square divided by 3 into HF given 20. From this you can decide the size of the pipe required. Size of the pipe required is, right, this right side part whole power 1 by 5. Simplify it. I am getting d power 5 equal to 0.0642 and d equal to 0.577 meters. This is equal to 577 millimeters. That is the minimum size of the pipe required to supply the water for the town of capacity 1 lakh people. I hope all of you understood. Let us go for one more problem. Look at the second problem. Two reservoirs are connected by a pipeline consisting of two pipes, one of 15 centimeters diameter and 6 meters long, and the other of dia 22.5 centimeters, length is 16 centimeters. If the difference between water levels in the two reservoirs is 6 meters, calculate the discharge. Take friction factor is 0.04, neglecting the minor losses. Let us construct the diagram for the given data. Let this is one reservoir. A pipe is connected like this. A pipe, the first cross section is with 15 centimeters and the second cross section with 22.5 centimeters, but length of the second pipe is more. This second pipe may be connected to the tank like this. That is how the second pipe is connected to the reservoir, a tank. This may be the level of the water. This is the level of the water in the other reservoir. The difference between the levels of water in the two reservoirs is, this is the HF. That HF is given, this is the HF is given 6 meters. The first pipe diameter is 15 centimeters, length is 6 meters. Second pipe diameter D2 equal to, second pipe diameter D2 equal to 22.5 centimeters, length equal to 16 meters. Okay. Coefficient of friction F is given 0.04. You are asked to find the discharge. Discharge Q is how much? First let us find the area of the flows. A1 equal to pi by 4 into d1 square. Pi by 4 into, here d1 is 0.15 meters whole square. You put here, for getting 0.0177 meter square. Similarly, area at the second section, pi by 4 into d2 square. Pi by 4 into d2, 0.225 whole square. Here d1 equal to 0.15 meters, d2 equal to 0.225 meters. Simplify this value for getting A2, 0.04 meter square. L1, L2 given. Now continuity equation. Continuity equation. Without continuity equation also you can do this problem. 1 minute. Let us take the total head loss due to friction HF equal to HF1 plus HF2. Head loss due to friction in the pipe 1 plus head loss due to friction in the pipe 2. HF equal to HF1, I can write F L Q L1 Q square by FLQ is 3 D1 power 5. Remember, the arrangement is, the pipes are arranged in series, Q1 equal to Q3 equal to Q. Discharge remains constant. Plus head loss due to friction in the second pipe, F into L2 into Q square by 3 D to the power of 5. Here HF is given 6. F is constant in both pipes, 0.04, 0.04, L1 6 meters, Q unknown value, Q square by 3 into D1 0.15 whole square plus F2 0.04. Here F1 equal to F2 equal to F into L2 16 meters, Q square by 3 D to the power of 5, 0.225 whole square. Simplify this value. From the both 6 equal to, write the Q square outside, 0.04 into 6 by 3 into 0.1 power D power 5 na, 1 minute. This power 5, this power 5 plus 0.04 into 16 divided by 3 into 0.225 whole power 5. From this get the Q value. Directly discharge can be obtained. I got the discharge is around 0.0654 meter cube per second. You simplify this value, definitely you will get this answer. I hope all of you got this problem. Let us take one more problem. Look at the next problem. Water is supplied from a reservoir through a pipe of diameter 300 mm and 600 meters long to a turbine which is situated 108 meters below the free surface. That means the turbine is located at a distance of 108 meters below the free surface. Okay. Discharge through the pipe is 81 liters per second. Find the head loss and power transmitted by the pipe. Darcy friction factor 0.01. Let us write the given data. Water is supplied from a reservoir through a pipe of diameter of pipe D equal to 300 mm. Let it be in meters, 0.3 meters. Length of the pipe L equal to 600 meters to a turbine which is situated 108 meters below the free surface. That means total head available for a turbine. Total head available for turbine. Let me take more space. Total head available for a turbine capital H equal to 108 meters. Discharge through the pipe. Discharge is given by Q is equal to 81 liters per second. It is equal to 0.081 meter cube per second. Find the head loss and power transmitted. Head loss due to friction HF equal to how much, and power transmission by the water to the turbine. Power transmission by the water to the turbine. That means indirectly you are asked to find the how much power is available for the turbine via water or through the water. First let us find the HF value, head loss to friction. Head loss due to friction, HF equal to, since discharge is given, FL Q square by 3d power 5 in terms of discharge. If velocity is given, you do the problem based on the velocity, otherwise in terms of discharge I can use directly. HF equal to F value, coefficient of friction 0.01, L length of the pipe 600 meters, Q 0.081, FL Q square by 3 d power 5, 0.3 power 5. Simplify this value. For getting the HF, 5.4 meters. 5.4 meters. Now net head available. Total head available given, net head available at the inlet of turbine. Net head available at inlet to the turbine. Inlet to turbine, I can say H net. This H net equal to total head available minus head loss due to friction. Therefore, power transmitted by water. Power transmitted by water to the turbine. Power equal to rho into G into Q into capital H minus HF, net head available at the inlet of turbine. Density of the water need not be given 1000, G 9.81, discharge 0.3, net head available capital H minus small hf, capital H is 108 minus 5.4 meters, that is the loss of head due to friction. You simplify this value for getting around 81527 watts, or in kilowatts it is 81.527 kilowatts. That is the solution for the given problem. Let us take one more problem. Look at the next problem. Find the maximum power. You are asked to find the maximum power transmitted through a pipe of 100 mm diameter and 2 kilometers long. The supply head is 4.9 kilopascal, coefficient of friction 0.01. Very simple problem, but this is asked in 2005 in the Telangana board examination and 2017 also. The same problem asked 2 times already. This kind of problem is important. You are asked to find the given data. Maximum power, P max is how much? Through a pipe of 100 mm diameter of pipe, equal to 100 mm equal to 0.1 meter, and length of pipe L equal to 2 kilometers equal to 2000 meters. The supply pressure, though it is given as head, look at the units, kilopascal. Kilopascal is the unit of pressure only. Supply pressure small p equal to 4.9 kilopascal equal to 4900 Newton per meter square or Pascal. Coefficient of friction F is given 0.01. Otherwise, let us write that F at one corner 0.01. Now, supply pressure head. H equal to P by rho G. P equal to 4900, rho equal to 1000, G 9.81. You simplify this value for getting around 0.499 meters of water. Since it is asked for maximum power transmission, condition for maximum power transmission, condition for maximum power transmission is HF equal to H by 3. In the last video we proved it. So HF equal to capital H means total head at the inlet of the pipe. 0.499 you got divided by 3. Simplify this value for getting 0.166 meters of water. Now power P equal to rho G into Q into capital H minus HF. But Q not given. Q should be known. That Q can be found like this. Head loss due to friction HF equal to FL Q square by 3d power 5. From this, Q square equal to 3d power 5 into head loss due to friction divided by FL. So 3 into diameter of the pipe is given 100 mm means 0.1 meter power 5. Head loss due to friction I got 0.166 divided by coefficient of friction given 0.01 multiplied by length of the pipe 2 kilometers given. Let us go back. 2 kilometers length of the pipe. 2 kilometers equal to 2000 meters. From this Q equal to 3 into 0.15 0.1 power 5 into 0.166 divided by 0.01 into 2000 whole power 1 by 2. Get the discharge. Simplify this value for getting the discharge around 4.99 into 10 raised to minus 3. It's not minus 3, minus 4. Simplify it. Definitely you will get the same answer. It is the discharge meter cube per second. Therefore, maximum power transmitted. Maximum power transmitted P max equal to rho G into Q into H minus HF. That is the power carried by the water. Rho equal to 1000. For water, rho need not be given. G 9.81. Q I got 4.99 into 10 raised to minus 4. Capital H I got 0.499. Capital H. Yes, capital H equal to yes, this is the point. Capital H 0.499. Small h 0.166. 0.166. Simplify this value for getting it is around 1.63 kilowatts. Directly I got the kilowatts. Means from this you may be getting in watts, dividing by 1000 for getting it in kilowatts. That is how problem can be done. Dear students, I am concluding this video with this problem. In the next video, we will discuss about the siphon system, flow through siphon. Then we will go for some more problems, some more important problems. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, that is Geobyte, and share these videos to all your diploma mechanical and civil friends, whoever is practically required. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Geobyte.